settings. Ascendis Health LTD. Ascendis Health LTD. Sorry for the pronunciation. So guys, here's the technical side of this company, because truly speaking, we did some diggings based on the fundamental side. This company looks bad when it comes to its fundamentals. So what I'm going to do is that I will just explain what we saw technically on this company as evaluations. So what happened is that we saw that this company, it was established, I think it went public actually. It went public around 2013. It went public around 2013, and everything was good. And then it was going up. It was in a bull market, and then everything started changing around 2016. Around 2016, we saw this company's share price breaking our support level. This strong support level. This support level was tested, I think, around 4 times. It was tested more than 4 times. It was tested more than 4 times, and it got broken during 2016. It got broken during 2016, and then we saw a confirmation of a shift in the trend by the retest, which also occurred around January 2017. This retest right here, which happened during 2017 January. So we saw like this company share price dropping sharply and then giving us 1. We declared this thing as 1, this move as 1, and then we saw a formation of 3 wave structure, so which we actually named it ABC, so to give us 2, to give us wave 2. So once we saw that, after we had this support, and the market broke this support. So after breaking the support, it went up again. So we had a clear picture that, our wave 3 is doing what? It's extending. Our wave 3 is extending through like 5-wave movement as well. It gave us 1, it gave us 2, and then gave us 3, and then gave us 4. Our 4 in this case happened through like a wedge, or you can say a triangle, which was A, B, C, D, E, and then it went down. So as you look at this support level was strong. It was strong, and it was established, it was born around 2014, the period of September. It was born through that period, and then it got finalized around the period of like 2015, and then it went down. It was even active even 2018. It was even still active around 2018. Is the one that actually like created a 10 for us here, and we saw even here that our wave 5 under the extension of wave 3 is also expanding. Hence we had 1 here, and then we had 2, and then we had 3, and then 4. We were expecting 5. So what we are expecting is that the market to drop. This price, the share price of this company, closed around like 92 cents, as you can see there. It closed around 92 cents. So we are hoping for a drop till 10 cents. If it drops till 10 cents, we're gonna buy back the shares of this company, because this level, we calculated this level through our historical moves and calculations and whatnot, so you don't need to understand that part. And we got a clear confirmation from the support level. The support level is so strong. So, but we do believe that this will be just a correction. We just believe it will be just a correction. As you can see, this correction right over here, we would say it was simple. So we are expecting this one to be complex. Even fundamentally, we are actually supported due to the fact that we saw an article stating that one of the drugs that are being manufactured by the subsidiary of this company. They produce a product which contains an ingredient which is being used in one of the drugs that are being used to as actually like tests for in finding like a cure for COVID-19. So you could find, you don't know what will happen with this company if that one of their ingredients which they use in one of their products is part of the drug that is curing like COVID-19. So like, it could be huge for this company. So still the news are still pending. So like there's still hope for this company. But one thing that we know is that this company, there's a possibility that it might not even survive due to the fact that we saw another article later on this month stating how much debt they have under their books, and then we saw even this each CFO resigning lately. I think it was yesterday. I think so. I think it actually resigned yesterday, and one of the people said that the CFO was not adding value to the company and whatnot. As we can see that financially this company is not actually stable at all. So like we are just hoping, it's risky for people to jump into this company, but what can I say? I'm not an authorized financial advisor, but I'm just providing my skill as a market analyst. Like I analyze using technical analysis and also a little bit of knowledge that I have under fundamentals and whatnot. So yeah, guys, this is what we think of like assetting. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. Health LTD. That's what we are expecting, because even if you could see the momentum of this triangle, this triangle created by these two trend lines, created by this support trend line and also the resistance trend line. If you look here, it was a bit open, and then as we move closer, as we move down, it started shrinking. The momentum started decreasing. It's starting to decrease, which is a clear indication of a break. It's a clear indication of a break that the market wants to break out. It was just break out of prison. Just break. So that's what we think of this company. Please guys, share the video. Please subscribe. There will be a lot of videos whereby we'll be sharing our views on